Hello, and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. Nicknames are fun and personal labels you can set for your friends inside private messages. They show up at the top of your chat and are only visible to you and the person you're chatting with. But if you want to remove it for any reason, the process is simple. In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to delete a nickname on Instagram chat, step by step, using the latest version of the Instagram app on your phone. Let's get started. 1. Open the Instagram app on your smartphone and log into your account if you're not already logged in. 2. Tap the paper airplane icon or messenger icon in the top right corner to open your DMS direct messages. 3. Find and tap on the chat where you previously set a nickname. 4. Once inside the chat, tap on the person's name or the eye information icon in the top right corner. 5. Scroll down and tap on nicknames. 6. You'll see both your nickname for them and their nickname for you. Tap the nickname you want to delete. 7. Now clear the text field so it's empty, and then tap Done or the check mark, depending on your device. And just like that, the nickname is gone. The contact will now appear with their original Instagram username or display name in your chat. So whether you're organizing your chats, starting fresh, or removing something playful that's no longer needed, now you know exactly how to remove a nickname from Instagram DMs quickly and easily. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.